Hi friends, this video shows how to capture picture of the object using a mobile phone. So here you can see I have placed this testing slide on this microscope. Here I am using this human blood cells testing slide. So I already placed this testing slide here on microscope. Then I adjust the focus. Now that object is in focus. So let me try to capture one picture using mobile phone. So let me take mobile phone, then open camera. So let me try to capture one picture. So I'm going to capture one picture here. See, this is object. If you want, you can adjust focus. Okay, so let me check these pictures. See, these are the pictures I captured. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it. So this way we can capture a picture of object is in focus. Okay.